Hello everyone, Jamie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to easily leave feedback on eBay, because normally when you're on the app you'd have to click on each individual item, scroll down until you get to leave feedback and then have to fill it out that way. However, with this method it's going to be 10 times easier, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so you need to go to this link. I will put this in the description below. So all you need to do is click on it and then sign in. And then you get this screen that comes up. So all you need to do is say whether it was a positive experience. I'm going to click on positive, and my favourite one to say an A++. Now what we can do, if we really want to be quick at doing this, we can just copy and paste this comment. So I'm just going to highlight it and then go to copy, leave feedback on there, and then go down to the next one. And I can keep doing that over and over again, and it's so much quicker than having to keep on going onto one of the items you've sold or bought and then going out of it, going back into the next one. It's time consuming, but this one you can do on your mobile and it's nice and quick. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you hated this video, subscribe. See you later.